In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Bookings effectively. Understanding how to navigate this tool can significantly enhance the way you manage appointments, classes, or courses through your website. So let's dive in and get started on this journey. First things first, if you haven't already, go ahead and sign into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed automatically to your dashboard. This is your central hub, where you'll have access to a range of management tools, including your site editor. Now from the dashboard, look for an option that says Design Site. A simple click here will take you directly into your site editor. This is your creative playground where you can make design decisions for your website. On the left part of your editor page, you'll find various categories you can add to your site. Here, go ahead and click on Add section and then select Bookings. This will open up a delightful variety of templates from which you can choose. You have the freedom to choose a template that aligns perfectly with the aesthetics and functionality you envision for your site. In this demonstration, I already have a template in place. It's sitting comfortably there on the site editor. To get started with customizing it, simply click on the booking template and then hit Quick Edit. This feature allows you to swiftly make changes, adapting it to meet specific requirements and preferences. Customizing these templates is straightforward. You can change the background, giving your page a fresh look, and also click on Manage Services. It's in this area you'll have the wonderful opportunity to add new services. Whether it's an appointment, a class, or a course you wish to offer, the choice is entirely yours. Once you've made your decision, simply click Edit. This may take a moment to load, but once ready, you'll have the capability to alter all the intricate details of your service. This includes the description, timing, and pricing options that best fit what you're offering. After finalizing all your changes, don't forget the crucial step, clicking Save. This will ensure all your edits are securely stored and reflected live on your site, making your services accessible to your audience. And just like that, you're equipped with the knowledge to use Wix Bookings efficiently. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching this tutorial. If you found the information helpful and you're now ready to get started with Wix Bookings, please consider liking this video. And of course, if you want more insightful tutorials and updates, be sure to comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, everyone, and see you in the next